how to fix the EFI network issue booting problem in VMware or in VMware workstation. Okay, so for this we will go to our labs, which is our VMware labs, and here, as you can see, we have created one machine, which virtual machine in our data center or in our region A01 data center with the cluster in ESXi101A. Okay, so we have created this virtual machine VM01A. Now we are trying to start this virtual machine. Okay, so we'll do the launch the web console and we will boot it normally, which is the newly built machine. So we will not go into the boot setup and we will scroll up and down arrow and boot it normally. So okay, so as you can see that this EFSI virtual disk unsuccessful. Okay, this error is coming because we are not able, because of this we are not able to start the virtual machine in our VMware's environment. So to solve this problem, what we will do, we will first power off this machine by clicking on Actions, Power On. And this task you can perform in our VMware Workstation environment also, or in Oracle Virtual Machine Box. You can create the virtual machines there and there. Then you can start the virtual machines and perform this operation. Now I am powering off this virtual machine in our vSphere client. So once this get powered off, I will click on refresh. Okay, now as you can see that the virtual machine has been powered off. Now, what our next step will be, we would go to settings of this virtual machine. So we'll go to actions and we'll go to edit settings. Okay, so now what we have to check here, the boot option, why the machine is not successfully booting. So we'll check for expand boot options. And here, see, you can see EFI recommended is there. So we'll click on BIOS. Okay, and now changing firmware might cause the installed guest operating system to become unbootable. We can ignore this warning and we can click on OK. Okay, now we'll again power on the machine. So now we are again, we can refresh one more time to ensure that the virtual machine is being powered on or not. Now we can launch the web console. Okay, so now that error has been gone. Now there is a different error for the DHCP, which is the IP address, which is not taking the virtual machine by the virtual machine. However, that error has been solved, which EFSI recommended error. Okay, so this is now for the network boot from the Intel. So this also we can troubleshoot. We can again go to our settings. So I can power off the virtual machine and we can see the console has also been disconnected. So the second error also we can discuss here. We can edit the settings and here we can select the boot device or we can see the image of the data store ISO file if they're having VM images, tools ISO images, Windows ISO is there. So we can select this. Okay, and we can click on OK. One thing also we have to check, we have to connect power on. After connecting, we should power on this so that the ISO file will get provision and it will identify it it's a Windows machine. Okay. Now again we'll launch can power on the machine by clicking on here, or also we can do it from actions. Now we can launch the web console. There is an error with this lab only, I believe. So anyway, we have solved that previous error. We will discuss more on this error in the next part. Thank you.